If your business isn't automated, you are already losing customers. Missed calls, slow responses, leads slipping through the cracks while your competitors move faster. TubbysAI transforms your business into a 24/7 revenue machine. AI phone receptionists book appointments while high-converting websites turn clicks into cash. Custom AI chatbots sell while you sleep, and automated e-commerce stores run 24/7. Smart scheduling handles follow-ups, while scroll-stopping content drives attention and sales. Premium systems, transparent pricing, and results built for real ROI. Stop doing work AI can do for you. If your business isn't automated, you are already behind. Let's fix that.